Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about glands. Glands in general secrete hormones and enzymes. Okay. Now these hormones and enzymes are needed for our body to grow, digest food, secrete saliva, secrete sweat, and things like that. But there are two type of glands we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about endocrine glands. We're going to talk about exocrine glands. So exocrine glands, which are in this column right here, they are the enzymes. Um, these glands would secrete um, the needed material into a duct-like form. So these are the structure of a exocrine gland, and these cells are called echinoid cells, and they secrete those that material known as enzymes into this duct-like formation. And most of the time, they are in the GI system, into our digestive system. Okay, we'll talk about more about these exocrine glands as we talk about more. But endocrine glands, they are the hormones. They are secreted directly into the bloodstream, not to a duct-like system. Okay, so they are into the blood, and they have no ducts. And exocrine glands have ducts. They secrete it into the duct system. And the target site for endocrine glands is via blood. So they go to the far regions of the body and tissues. Okay, and usually their action is slow and long lasting though. But in the case of exocrine glands, they are kind of situated locally. For example, digestive system and skin. Through skin, we produce sweat, and we produce oil through the skin. So that comes out through the duct system. And usually, exocrine glands, their action is faster because they have to digest the food really fast, and they so couple of examples that I can give you for endocrine glands are testosterone. Those are produced by our testes. They produce sperms, and in females, uh, they produce estrogen and progesterone. So that they maintain their ovary and uterus structure. These two glands. Okay, these two hormones. These are hormones. So anything secreted by endocrine gland is called hormones, right here. And exocrine glands, they will be called as enzymes. Okay. Now, pancreas, you have to make sure that you know about pancreas. Pancreas has both type of glands, endocrine glands and exocrine gland. The exocrine glands of pancreas, they secrete these digestive enzymes, amylase and lipase. Amylase and lipase. But pancreas also secrete endocrine type of glands straight into the blood system. One is called insulin, and another one is called glucagon. Insulin lowers our blood glucose, and glucagon raises our blood glucose. So remember, some patient takes insulin because their blood glucose level is high. So insulin is taken from outside source because pancreas is not making enough insulin. So yeah, so make a note of that. That pancreas has both type of glands, endocrine and exocrine. So that's it. Basic difference between the two type of glands, endocrine and exocrine. All right. If you like the video, go ahead, subscribe button, Leave comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day.